Hey everyone, welcome back to AI with Manpreet Kaur. Today I'm going to show you how to create quizzes in second using an amazing tool called Conker AI. And yes, it can convert your quiz into Google Forms. So let's get started. So first of all, you open and type Conker and it will take you here. And then you log in and you can log in for free. So it's gonna look like this. Create a Conquer quiz. So here you can type the quiz you want to type on. For today, I'm just gonna write plant cell versus animal cell. So let's see what it's gonna give us. Plant cell versus animal cell. Click next. And here the option come to you like multiple choice, number of questions. So in the multiple choice it has mix, read, respond and all that, and I'm choosing mix for this video. And you can create up to 10 questions. If you want to create more than that you have to purchase that. That's a pro one upgrade, you have to upgrade. And below also you can add the text also, which can also help in creating the quiz. Okay, just for the sake today, we are not gonna use any text and just hit generate. So let's see what it is generating for us. So it is taking a little bit of the time. As you can see, it is processing at the back end. So here it created the first question for us and second, and it is also providing the feedback. And let's see one by one what questions it created for us. For question number one, what components are present in both plant and animal cell? And it has like two answers. So this question is like kind of of the your student can choose like multiple choices in that, more than one answer, and they can choose. What structure provides support? What type of the cell type have a large central vacuole? And I'm seeing here all the questions are related to plant cell and animal cell. Because as a teacher, you should and check always like what it is creating because it's an AI. But it seemed like it created all the questions that are created to related to plant cell and animal cell. And here are the options you can share with the students. You can share with them in the embedded form. You can share them on the Google Classroom. They can scan the QR code, you can print it and also convert that into a Google form. And I'm going to show you in a second how you can do that. So click on that in the Google form, and here it is creating a Google form for you in seconds. I know we teachers love it. I know it is amazing if you create a quiz and then it get converted into Google form. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel AI with Manpreet Kaur.